want to say something about this Father Nwebe Joy issue. Some of my fans, and really some people that I respect, they reach go out to me controversies. Same as you go. Each time we will issue where reverend priests, reverend fathers are involved, as you go, know how you get involved. Allow those people kafam no ogufa, no hang a window go. I agreed. So, in this particular video, now, I am not actually directing it personal to Father Nwebe Joy because I want to take that advice. My fans say, allow one the fabrics na hono ha wulaka ha soturu proben ha and their mother. The other go, where's okay? Somebody may post where say Father Nwebe Joy. Let me go to that post so that can really make mistake. Also, Father Nwebe Joy, please can you tell us who is Shisum that has a 6-year-old son? Omuamu LOL, I have told you to enter house. Ketaka bukwabo. Okay. Then, on will comment. Get them. That is why I actually want to address this person commentary na this particular post. I'm not the effect there about Father Nwebe Joy anyway. Onya wede Zion people can never rest. I beg, write to Bishop and not to Facebook. The same person nasi only deliver write to the bishop and not Facebook. He's busy clapping for Father Nwebe Joy, writing to Facebook rather than writing to the bishop or the church. Have you seen even the way Siono? You may not understand the reason why that person is fighting from that angle. It is only you who know the reason why you went from this angle. We have seen Father Nwebe Joy continuously responding to the Zionite because Evangelist Ebuka Obi has never responded to him. Evangelist Ebuka Obi made something general without calling the name of anybody. But Father Nwebe Joy, due to banter on and with the Zionite, who are the followers of Zion, he decided to make it personal now on Evangelist Ebuka Obi for reasons best known to him, which I may not talk about for now. Now, instead of addressing a letter to the bishop or writing to the Catholic Church, Father Nwebe Joy decided to come out personal to sort out these issues with Evangelist Ebuka Obi. And he even started by touching the exact thing Ebuka Obi juwene mono, which is veggie and nitty. He decided to go after that particular place, meaning he is ready to fight with everything. He is ready to fight dirty. And when he made that post, a lot of you, Sholoka, Zion, started rejoicing. Now, somebody, for reasons best known to him, I don't know where he got that information. It might be reliable, it might not be reliable. Posted it also on his own. You now started advising the person to write to the bishop and not Facebook. So you enjoy it when Father Nwebe writes to Facebook. But when another person responds, you tell that person to write to the bishop. I have something to say about the continuous attack Evangelist Ebuka Obi and waiting for Reverend Fathers. I have something to say about it, and I'll be dropping that video shortly after now. Make sure you watch that video. Share this video. Ability to say A and expecting somebody not to say B. You don't have control of our mouth. You don't have control of our senses. You don't have the control of us. You are entitled and responsible to what you say. We are entitled and responsible of how we react to what you say. You cannot control both. And that is it. So I don't know why Father Nwebe Joy has decided to fight dirty with the people on Facebook and not even Evangelist Ebuka Obi. It seems like he is ready. I don't want to address him personally now for reasons best known to me. But rather, I decided to call the attention of this particular person commenting because I saw a lot of those similar comments. These are people who, for reasons best known to them, feels that Reverend Fathers are untouchable. But Obulu need untouchable, and they belong to the Catholic Church, which is a congregation. I have said it countless times. Evangelist Ebuka Obi might belong to the Catholic Church, but only many people from different denominations who are following him, who sees him as their spiritual father, the same way other people see him as their spiritual father. Those people who sees you, Father Nwebe Joy, as a spiritual father, cannot stand anybody talking down at you. And people who sees Evangelist Ebuka Obi as a spiritual father cannot stand you talking down at them. Now, we are not all Catholics. For me, I have said it countless times. Whether you a Pentecostal pastor or bishop, whether you a Catholic bishop or priest, whether you an Anglican bishop or priest, or even Seraphic, also, I think the body of Christ should be one. So when you respect this person, you should respect the other person. Even the evangelists, and they name them. There are people who call them daddy. There are people who call them their spiritual fathers. You should also respect all these people. And if we put this into considerations, then we will be avoiding a whole lot of things. A Catholic priest cannot come out against somebody, with followers, and you are expecting people not to talk. And when people react, you come out or confrontational. You become so aggressive. You even, I don't want to go further, but this person now advises somebody, take it to the bishop instead of Facebook. I want you to advise Father Nwebe also to take everything, all the matter he has against Evangelist Ebuka Obi to the bishop or to the church. After all, they all belong to the same Catholic faith and not Facebook. Wait for that video. It is dropping soon. I'm dropping it soon.